Real quick update. I don't know if you can see this very well. Actually, let me turn on the light. Thought it was lighter than that in here. Okay. We just got back from vacation. So I haven't done much on the bus lately, but one thing I managed to do today is, well, you still can't see it, but there's a replacement turn signal switch. Hang on. There. Guess you can see that, maybe not. Anyway, 1973, they only used this particular turn signal switch for 1 year or so they're really hard to find. And I couldn't find one really anywhere. So I just bought a cheap dune buggy style turn signal switch and mounted it a little bit lower. But I think it'll work. It's not the prettiest, but it's functional. And since there's no light in here, I guess I'll call that good.